Good din mga igso, si Hesus Kristo ang pinaka-perfect example na natao dito sa mundo. No doubt in that Jesus is the perfect example sa ating lahat. But I would like to share with you this man named Moroni. Because of his faith to our Father in Heaven and the Lord Jesus Christ, na ito yung naging dahilan para magiging masonore. At ang payo dito na dapat daw maging kagaya tayo ni Moroni. Babasahin ko po para po sa atin. Sabi dito, Aklat ni Mormon, "Yea, verily, verily, I say unto you, if all men had been and were and ever would be like Moroni, behold, the very powers of hell would have been shaken forever. Ye, the devil would never have power over the hearts of the children of men." Kung maging kagaya lang daw tayo ni Moroni, ang kapangyarihan ng dyablo ay hindi makapasok sa puso ng mga tao. At wala siyang kakayahan na ihilahin tayo pababa. Because we are like Moroni. Kahit ano bang meron kay Moroni? Gaya ng sabi ko kanina, because of his faith na nagresulta sa kanyang pagiging obedient. Kaya hinaguston dito sa nabasa natin na maging kagaya kay Moroni. Anong meron sa kay Moroni? Bakit? Una, and Moroni was a strong and a mighty man. He was a perfect understanding. Yea, a man that did not delight in bloodshed, and a man whose soul did joy in the liberty and the freedom of his country and his brethren from bondage and slavery. Wow! Strong and a mighty man. Adunay o merong perfect understanding, especially of the gospel of Jesus Christ. And then, ito ang klaseng tao na ito na ayaw ng gulo. Dahil ayaw niya, ayaw niya, hindi siya natutuwa o hindi siya masaya in bloodshed. Ito maganda. His soul did joy in the liberty and freedom of his country. Napakagandang klase na ugali, karakter. Meron si Moroni. Hindi lang yan. Ito pa. Ye, a man whose heart did swell with thanksgiving to his God. Ito ang klaseng tao na mapasalamaton. Adunay divine gift of gratitude. Especially dito, kahit hindi sa sarili niya. For what? For the many privileges and blessings which he bestowed upon his people. Nagpapasalamat sa mga biyaya na natanggap ng kanya in behalf sa kanyang mga katauhan. In his people, because Moroni one of the leader diyan sa lugar na yan, sa mga tao na yan. And then, ito maganda. Yea, and he was a man who was firm in the faith of Christ. Napakatibay, firm ang kanyang paniniwala at pananampalataya kay Kristo. Kaya pala, walang kapangyarihan ang dyablo na pumasok sa puso ng tao. Because Moroni has a firm faith in the Lord Jesus Christ. And he had sworn with an oath to defend his people. Handang-handa siya na ipaglaban ang kanyang mga tao. His rights and his country and his religion, even to the loss of his blood. Napakaganda na katangian na meron ng isang tao na disipulo ni Christ na si Moroni. Kaya inanyayahan tayo na maging kagaya niya, na maging kagaya ni Moroni para ang dyablo ay walang kakayahan na hilahin tayo pababa. Let us be strong like Moroni and mighty, and let us be and have understanding of the gospel of Jesus Christ, full of thanksgiving, gratitude to our Father in heaven and the Lord Jesus Christ for the many privileges and blessings that He bestowed upon you and me, and did not delight in bloodshed. Ayaw ng gulo, ayaw ng away. Napakaganda ng katangian ng isang tao. Dahil sa kanyang pananampalataya, nagkaroon siya ng tinatawag na obedient. Naging masunurin sa ating tagapagligtas na si Hesus Kristo.